we're going to learn now how to do some computation using spreadsheets in Excel. So these are the tornado data. Suppose you ask a very reasonable question like what would be what are the averages of number of tornadoes per each month. To do so, first I like to split the screen. It helps me. You click on any of the numbers here, you highlight the horizontal line, go to view, click on split, and now Excel splits it only horizontally, no more vertical annoying lines. Then you scroll the bottom one, and then we have access to top and bottom of data. I'm gonna put here, let's say, averages, just for us to know what we are dealing with. And I like to put average for January, February, March, April, blah blah blah. Now, one way to do it is to do it one at a time. So make it, and in Excel, when you want to compute something, you start with equal. By typing equal, you're telling Excel next comes the formula, mathematical formulas. So if I just type average, Excel thinks I'm writing a letter. But if I put here equal average, then Excel knows that I'm doing some computation. Then what you get here is communication box, and it's very self-explanatory. Essentially you have to click and highlight the data you want to average. Now we can do it like that, and you scroll it down to the bottom. I have one extra. I'll scroll up. See, it's a pain next scrolling. So this is very common type of mistakes one does. So instead of that, there is this control and shift trick, as we learned earlier. So to highlight particular data, you click on the first one, you hold the shift button, and you click on the last one. And that's it. Excel is given information, and it tells you what Excel is gonna average, which is pretty much what we want it to be average. You click on the parentheses, you close the parentheses, and enter. And that's it. Computer just did it for us. Now you can repeat this again the second time. You write it equal average, and then you click on the top one, then the shift button. Do not drag anything down, just click on the last one, and automatically it's covered. Now you can do this 12 times. It's not the end of the universe, but Excel helps you even there. For example, if you click on any cell that you just computed and you want Excel to repeat that, there's a very neat trick for that. So you drag your cursor to the right corner here when it becomes this particular cross. So there are three different crosses. There's this thick one, there's this funny looking one, and then there is this small one. You click now there and go to the right. See, Excel now will compute averages for each of these months. See? If you click on it, it says here compute average there for you. If you double click on this number here, Excel will tell you that he computed that average, and so on and so forth. So you can see how handy this comes, because now you can actually compute only one. Suppose I erase this, and typically experts will do it this way. What we do, sorry, I have to delete this. So you create only one of them, the average, then you click on the lower right corner, drag it to the December month that we want, and let it go. And all 12 months averages are computed for January till December. These are all the averages. If you want to plot this, for example, you can plot it very nicely. You just highlight this now horizontally, and you go to insert, and now I'm not using the scatter plot because I don't have X and Y coordinate. I just want to see the line plot. So what I usually do is click on this one here, and I like the one that has the pixels showing up for each month, and that's it. This would be January, February, March, April, and these are the average amount of tornadoes. As you can see, you can recognize tornado season there. Now you can do more stuff. For example, you can compute medians here. and you can make it equal median and repeat the same thing. Click on the first one, hold the shift button, click on the second last one, close the parentheses, enter, and then you have medians, and that will compute the medians. Suppose you want to take, sometimes you want to compute a further analysis. Suppose I want to find a ratio between average divided by median. Let's say average over median. That's just my title. It's very easy. Equal, click on the average, divide by median, enter. Computer does it for you. Click on this cell you just computed, go in the lower right corner, drag it, and Excel will repeat this 12 times for 12 different months. You can do standard deviation, maximums, all kind of different computation. Do it once and you drag it, and Excel will do it for you for the rest of them.